show me the way to the
All right.
whiskey bar.
Here we go. She's all done, ready to go. All the basic maintenance was brought up to date on this insanely unique and cool solid-state acoustic model 260, which, as legend has it, was the preferred choice for the Doors lead guitarist, or only guitarist, actually. So, here she is. I'll just do a quick run through, just so I can demonstrate that she's functional. Got a crazy busy day today. Hope you all are doing well. Let's just take it from here. All right, where are we? Let's start over here. So we can go right about here. No, right about there. Yeah, let's do that. Good enough. Now, it's got a signal going through. All right, I'm going to be sweeping the signal. Let's take it from here, just so you can get a good feel. She has got some thunder. She's got the thunder. Good Lord. Really cool function, sort of like a selectable mids. Like it. You can vary the effect there. Now, I did repair the fuzz circuit here. This was, remember that, oh, good Lord. We had a missing knob and accompanying pot shaft. Here is that potentiometer on the fuzz's circuit. This is the one that controls the gain, and it's also an on-off switch. But this potentiometer is what you call unobtainium. They don't exist anymore. But luckily, also of note, I should say before I get too far ahead, is this bracket here. This is the board for the fuzz module. This bracket was just sort of swinging in the breeze, and I did find a suitable machine screw for it. I'll see if I can do a better job of aligning this. It's a little off, but I do have this. I have a push-pull 500K pot that will do the job. So instead of twisting it on, you pull it to activate the fuzz circuit, you push it to deactivate it. Which I initially thought was simply I thought it was a simple and rudimentary potentiometer, 500K, but it turns out it had an assigned push-pull that was integrated into the pot. So luckily I had one on hand, not the exact one, because again, these are unobtainium. You're not going to see these guys again. Very cool. We got it going. Let's check it out. Pull it to activate. We'll do some reverb. Let's actually raise this up a bit. Let's take it up. Good Lord. Super interesting. Let's take the sweep off and just get a steady state tone. Wind her up. All right. The tremolo here is super interesting. The reverb sort of has a sort of a trashier type of tone as you wind it up, where it starts adding in a bit of metallic distortion, which is kind of a cool garagey type sound. But this trim is to die for. Wow. So round and hypnotic. Like it. Really do. Very nice. Very nice. Love it, man. So, another kind of cool feature is this electronic tuning fork. How awesome is that? So let's get our signal out of here. What's it do? Well, exactly what you think it does. I managed to get this guy cleaned up quite a bit. It's less gritty. Is it still a bit stiff? Yeah, it's okay though. So check it out. So this is meant for obviously tuning your instrument by a reference tone, and you can adjust the tone via these two potentiometers labeled fine and coarse, of course. So have a listen. Oh, pardon me. It's great. It's like the best of the 80s video games. Very cool. Well, there you have it. One very interesting, well, what is ostensibly a bass amp. Not that they're being deceitful or not, because this thing sounds great with an electric guitar as well. But it's kind of funny to think about having reverb or trim on your bass, huh? At least I've seen it labeled as a bass amp. Maybe it's not. But whatever it is cool, that's for certain. So we'll take it from there. Bye.